Hey guys, my name is Muhammad Amar. Today in this video, I will show you how to make a professional and beautiful looking website like this in just few simple steps. After watching this complete video, you will be able to make any kind of website. But before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. So now, let's begin. Before creating any website, we have to choose the name for our website. Once we choose the name, then we can go to the step 2, which is to get the hosting and domain. Now, in order to get your website running, you need domain name and hosting plan. But what is domain name? Domain name is the name of your website, like facebook.com or youtube.com. And hosting is the place where we keep our website files. So, to get hosting and domain, click on the link down in the description or type Bluehost in your web browser. Then click on this link. It will take you to the landing page of the Bluehost. I personally recommend it as it is fast, secure, and provides simple interface which helps beginners in setting up their websites. Now, in order to start, we have to click Get Started button. After that, select the plan which suits your needs. But for beginners, I recommend the basic plan to start with and click the select button. Here, we will select the name for our website that we have chose earlier. For example, yourname.com or whatever you like, you can change the extension here. For example, site.com, website.com or tech.com and just click next. Now, fill out the basic information and select the package based on the 1, 2 or 3 years. I will select the 1 year package and will recommend the 1 year package for the beginners. Here are some of the add-ons. I will uncheck them right now. I don't need them. And then I will fill out my payment information. After that, I click here and click submit. Congratulations, you have successfully purchased the domain and the hosting. After that, it will ask you for the new password and then redirect to this page. Here you can enter your domain and the password and click login. To log in, you will see this page. Here you will click on skip for now button. You will be redirected to this page. On this, you will click on the my sites button and then click on the create site button. Here you will enter the name of your website and the tagline. Then click next. Now, keep the settings as it is and just uncheck all the boxes next to the plugins as we don't need them right now and click next. After a few seconds, WordPress will be installed successfully. And here you can see the login details. Copy them and save on your computer. After that, click login to WordPress. And this will be our WordPress dashboard. From here, we can access everything. After installation, change your default password. Go there and click Edit My Profile. After loading the page, go down and click Generate Password. After clicking, you can type your own password and click Update Profile. Now your password is updated. What is theme? It is basically a design and style which shows how a website is going to look. What is plugin? It is basically an add-on which is used for customization on website. So, to install theme, go there and click themes. Now click on add new. Here you can see lots of theme designs, but today we are going to install Astra theme. Search for Astra, then go there and click install. After clicking install, it will take few seconds and then click activate. Now our theme is fully activated. To make it look like a demo that I showed earlier, we have to install the plugin. To install plugin, let's go to plugin and click add new. Here, go to search bar and type Astra. Now go there and click install. It will take few seconds and then click activate. Now Go to Astra Starter Sites and click See Library. Then it will ask you to select the page builder. Here we will select Elementor as it is very popular and have lots of customization options. It also helps in theme customization without any coding experience or technical knowledge. Now click Next. Here you can see lots of pre-built templates by Astra Themes, but we will select the free ones. Here you can see lots of theme designs. You can select any of them according to your business, but in this demo we are using the construction theme. So go down and find the construction theme, or you can search in the top bar. Here it is. Then after finding, click preview. Here you can see the complete preview of the template that we have selected. After selecting the preview, you can keep the settings as it is, and after that click on the import site button. And after a few minutes the demo import will be complete. Congratulations! You have successfully created your first WordPress website using Astra theme. Now I will show you how to customize your content. To customize your content, just click on Edit with Elementor. Now we are in editing section. Suppose you want to change this text. Just select the text and replace it with your own text. Suppose my first website. Now, what if you want to change the color of this button? Click on the button, then select Style, and in the background color, select whatever color you like or change the shades. Then you can choose what color you want. Now, if you want to change this image, just click on it, and on the left side, click on the Choose Image. From the media library, you can choose whatever image you want, and then insert media. Hooray! Your image is changed. In this way, you can change anything on the website. Once you're done with the changes, simply update the page. Now, click Preview Changes. Now you can see all the changes here. If you want to make changes in header and footer, you have to go to Customize. Here, we can customize the header and footer of our website. To change the logo, click on the icon next to the logo and then click here. You can use the image from the media library or you can upload it from your computer. I am using it from the media library. I will select this image and then click select. Now to match the size of the logo, I have to crop the image. Then I will resize it and crop the image. Then you can see our logo is updated. Now to change the social links, click the icon next to links and then click Facebook. Here I'll add my URL. In the same way, we can change the footer of the website. Now I will show you how to change the text. In the same way, you can click the blue icon and type the text, whatever text you want. After making changes, you can publish it. To access the dashboard from your browser, go to the search bar, type your domain name, then / and wp-admin. Click enter. Then it will ask you to enter your username and password that we have selected for our WordPress website. Here you can see your WordPress dashboard. To add a page, go there and click Add New. Now enter the page name and click Edit with Elementor. Then click here, select the row structure, click this icon and drag and drop the element to the row. Now edit it according to your needs. In the same way, you can create the whole page by just dragging and dropping the elements from the element section. Now click Publish and then have a look. This is the page that we have created. To add the page in the website, we have to update the menu. Go there and click Menus. Now click View and search for the services page in the uppercase that we have created earlier. Then click Add to Menu. Now drag the services page after projects or wherever you like and click Save Menu. Now you can see the page on the website. Now you can see how simply we have created a beautiful looking website in few simple steps. It was a pretty short tutorial, so you guys can quickly and easily build your website. If you want such more videos or in-depth tutorials, comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. That's it guys, good luck with your website. See you in the next video. Bye.